How to learn effectively. For learning effectively, it is important to set specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound learning goals, create a study plan, review and organize notes, practice and apply learning, seek feedback and clarification, and reflect on learning. Introduction. Importance of learning. Learning is important because it helps us develop new abilities, adapt to new situations, and solve problems. It also enables us to grow personally and professionally, and can lead to greater success and fulfillment in life. Definition of learning. Learning is the process of acquiring new knowledge, skills, behaviors, or attitudes through experience, practice, or instruction. 2. Setting learning goals. Making learning goals specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. To increase your chances of success, it's helpful to make your learning goals specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This is known as the SMART criteria. Identifying learning goals. Before you start learning, it's important to identify what you want to learn and why it's important to you. This can help motivate you and give you a clear direction to focus your efforts. 3. Creating a study plan. Choosing a study location. Consider where you will be most productive and comfortable. This could be at home, in a library, or at a study group. Identifying resources to use. Determine what resources you will use to help you learn. This could include textbooks, notes, online resources, or other materials. Scheduling study time. Plan out when and where you will study. This could be at a specific time each day or week, or in blocks of time that work best for you. Be sure to allow for breaks and other commitments. 4. Reviewing and organizing notes. Techniques for organizing notes. There are many ways to organize your notes, such as by topic, chronology, or concept. Experiment with different methods to find what works best for you. Importance of reviewing notes. Reviewing your notes from lectures, readings, and other learning activities can help reinforce your understanding of the material. It can also help you identify areas that need more attention. Practicing and applying learning. Importance of applying learning. Applying what you've learned helps you internalize the knowledge and skills you've acquired, and can also help you identify areas where you need additional practice. Active learning techniques. Active learning techniques involve actively engaging with the material through activities like problem solving, discussion, and writing. These techniques can help you better understand and remember what you've learned. 6. Seeking feedback and clarification. Ways to seek feedback and clarification. There are many ways to seek feedback and clarification, such as asking instructors during office hours or tutoring sessions, collaborating with peers, or using online resources like forums or study groups. Importance of seeking help. If you have questions or are struggling with the material, don't be afraid to ask for help. Seeking feedback and clarification from your instructors, peers, or other resources can help you fill in any gaps in your understanding and improve your learning. 7. Reflecting on learning. Techniques for reflecting on learning. There are many ways to reflect on your learning, such as journaling, discussing with peers, or creating a portfolio of your work. Experiment with different methods to find what works best for you. Importance of reflection. Reflecting on what you've learned and how you've improved can help you identify your strengths and areas for improvement, and give you a sense of accomplishment. It can also help you retain the information better. 8. Conclusion. Future considerations for learning. Continuing to learn and grow is important throughout our lives. As you continue on your learning journey, consider setting new learning goals, trying different learning techniques, and seeking out new opportunities for learning and growth. Summary of key points. In summary, learning is the process of acquiring new knowledge, skills, behaviors, or attitudes through experience, practice, or instruction. It is important because it helps us develop new abilities, adapt to new situations, and solve problems. To be effective, it's helpful to set specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound learning goals, create a study plan, review and organize your notes, practice and apply your learning, seek feedback and clarification, and reflect on your learning.